Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web system kwa kutumia Python programming language na Django. Django ni free open source high level web framework. Na hii ni episode number 4. Kwenye episode number 3 tuliona how to download a Bootstrap na kuintegrate Bootstrap framework katika project ya Django. Okay, so tuliona pia how to download a Google Fonts na kuintegrate Google Fonts kwenye project yetu ya Django. Okay, so tuliona hii ni material design data table, how to download and how to integrate kwenye project ya Django. Okay, so hii ni just a project ambapo hii ni just admin site. Okay, so kwenye episode hii tutaona how to link pages, of course kwenye previous episode tulishia kwenye eneo hili. Okay, tuliona how to integrate Bootstrap pamoja na Google Fonts kwenye project ya Django. So kwenye this episode tutaona how to link pages. Kulink page maana ni kwamba no need kuandika hapa katika address bar. Kwenye address bar tulikuwa tunaandika just this is a home page. Nikiklik home page ina return home. Okay, again nikiklik for example trend, okay, ina return trend. Okay, again nikiklik analytics, okay, ina return analytics. So no need to write katika address bar. Nitakuwa nibonyeze hapa hizo nizikliki hapa katika hii hapa easy links. Okay, hiyo inaitwa ni how to link a page. Okay, so kumbuka hii link ipo katika base. Okay, base.html. So nita access the base.html. Okay, on base now I need to change text color from white to dark. Okay, na hapa na change from white to dark. Okay, and hapa na change from white to dark. Okay, okay, so now save changes. Nija ku refresh now, utakuja kukuta now text color imechange from white to dark. So nataka ku rename, nikiklik home niende katika home. Okay, hizi features nitachange, itakuwa analytics and so on and so on. Okay, so now hapa, okay, and this is the home. Katika hapa high link ninaweka hizi hapa ginger. Okay, then ninaweka hizi hapa. Okay, okay, hapa ndani just kuandika URL, then here URL nina access URL name ya kwenye url.py. So url.py you can see I have path. Okay, default is home is the first page to be opened, ya pili inakuwa loan trend pamoja na so on. Okay, on home nina access what name, his name ndo ninazi access his names, trends, loan name. Okay, home, okay, analytics, customers, checkup and so on. Hizi ni just address zitakazotokea pale katika URL. So na access home, naandika name yake hapa, ndaandika name yake. Okay, hapa nitaandika name home na case sensitive. Okay, nikisave changes, nikija refresh in output, now home nimeshawekea link. Okay, sorry, okay, so let's check syntax. Syntax is, I think is correct. Home, okay, just copy it. Okay, and now come to duplicate. Okay, okay, so URL is home. Okay, so now save changes and come to refresh. Okay, kwenye home hii hapa nikiklik, nimekuja kwenye home. Okay, nikiklik na the same dashboard, nikiklik inatakuwa nije hapa kwenye dashboard. Okay, so now again kwenye dashboard, where's dashboard hii hapa. So now I paste. Okay, nije kwenye home, then this will be analytics. So na access analytics URL, what is analytics hii hapa. Okay, naandika kama ilivyo analytics. So just write analytics and this will be analytics. This will be admin kwa ajili ya ku access admin. Okay, then URL is admin. URLs is admin. Okay, admin from admin access index. Okay, and other links you can see he's in the other, okay, other pages. Okay, this will be trend, so hii itakuwa ni just a trend, then nikipaste tile name hapa nitaandika trend. Okay, so inaandika hapa hizi ni names za URL. Okay, you can see we have trend, checkup, customer, okay, loan. Okay, trend, you can see this is business trend, business trend. Okay, trends. And loan na access ile URL ya loan, okay, ile name, okay, loan, and hapa just kuandika business loan, is business loan. And customer, okay, and customer hii itakuwa ni just the name customer. Okay, and will be customers, add customer as well, add customer. Okay, and this one will be add loan, add, okay, add loan. Final tutakuja ku add checkup. Now copy it. Okay, this will be checkup. Okay, and hapa tuliandika just a checkup. Okay, checkup. Now save changes. We have customer, home, loan, trend, checkup, analytics, and so on. Okay, now good. Now save changes. Save changes. Okay, good. So now when I click dashboard, na remain kwenye home. Home nipo kwenye home. Analytics, this is analytics. And other pages. Business trends, this is a trend. Loan, loan. Okay. Add customer, customers. Checkup, checkup. Admin. Okay, I think kuna mistakes kwenye admin. Let's check admin. Collect syntax. Okay. Okay. Let's come to paste kwenye admin. Where is the admin? Okay, admin hapo. Okay, so kwenye admin. Okay, so now save changes. Come to refresh again. Okay, so refresh. Okay, admin. No such table admin. Okay, so now open. I think our project in a run. Let's close it. This is our project current in a run. Hii hapa ni command prompt. Now control, press control and hold, press C kustopisha. Now we perform migrations. Ili perform migrations, admin iweze kuonekana hapa. Admin. Now you can see ili kwa sababu admin ili kufanya database connection. How to perform a database connection? Okay. Kwanza kabisa kudownload XAMPP. XAMPP download, I think XAMPP. Okay, download XAMPP, then click the first link. Okay, then uta download XAMPP for Windows. Utakuja hapa download XAMPP for Windows. Hii hapa 64-bit current version. Okay, after downloading XAMPP, now come to desktop start button and right XAMPP control panel. Then current in a run, then uta click start, start. Okay, start service, and uta click admin. Click admin to open admin. Then hapa utakuja ku start a new database. Then uta click new, and database name is for example is loan system. Okay, loan system. Now copy. Okay, then click create database. So nitakuja hapa katika Visual Studio Code, nita access settings.py. On settings.py nita access hii hapa database, nita delete. Hizi ni parameters kwa ajili ya kufanya connection. Okay, so nika just kuandika databases equal to, inakuwa ndani ya hii dictionary. Okay, hiyo ni dictionary. Okay, so my default database, just write here default. Okay, then nika hapo, then okay. Now tunaweka what database parameters kwa hiyo kwenye database server. Engine maana gani? Database gani tutaenda kuitumia? Database ya MySQL. So nitaandika tu Django.database.backends.mysql. Okay, now good. After then I'm going to specify database name, so just andika name. Okay, after writing name colon, just database name is loan system ambayo nimecreate soon. Kinachofuata ni database user. Of course ja create user bado kwenye database, ja create any user. So hapa natumia root ni default user wa MySQL. Okay, na password. Okay, hizi ni key password, and password is empty. Default password is empty for MySQL. What is the host? And host, sababu tupo kwenye localhost, agenda katika production. Localhost, host is localhost. Is localhost ambayo pia address yake ni 192.0.0.1. Okay, that is host. Another is port number, and just like port number, hii ni just an optional. Database server port number in MySQL is 33006, I think. Okay, that is after doing so, unakuja hapa katika hii hapa project, unaandika python katika hiyo command prompt, just like python, then access parameter manage.py, then make migrations. Okay, then click enter. No changes, of course, no models are created. Now migrate. Migrate ni kitendo cha kuhamisha migrations from our file. Okay, now we have a default migrations. Nikija katika our project, now you can see I have migrations. This is of course hakuna migration yoyote ilikuwa created, kwa itafanya default migrations. Now tuna migrate, ita migrate default tables. Okay, now you can see kuna errors unaweza kukutana nayo. Endapo utakutana na error yoyote, uta install MySQL extension. Ukija katika ChatGPT, then utaandika Django connect to MySQL library installation command. Okay, Django na connect na MySQL kuna library yake. So how to install? Click ChatGPT, italeta jibu. So library yenyewe inaitwaje? Pip install MySQL client. Okay, so ukiinstall your command anakuletea hapa na hizo ni just connection parameters, engine name, user, password, hosting, so on. Hizo ambazo tumeziandika sasa hivi. So for you, just install this library. Okay, uta copy, uta open command prompt, then uta paste, ita install MySQL client. For me, unaona requirements zimeshakuwa satisfied kwa sababu nilisha install. Hiyo ndio itakuwezesha wewe kufanya migrations. Sasa wewe utapoandika migration italeta error kwa sababu haiwezi kuconnect kwenye database MySQL Django kwa sababu hakuna hiyo library. So nikija katika database studio kuna hizo nikirefresh tu unakuja kuona hizo tables zimekuwa imported. First one is kwenye loan system, nikiclick yes, authentication, user, so on and so on and so on. Hizo hapo. Now good. And another step is to create a super user. So ndakuja hapa nitaandika python, okay, then manage.py, then create super user. Okay, create super user, then click enter. Then super user, for example, is Samir, then email address left blank, click enter. Password is 1 and repeat again 1, and password is 2 week, yes, then click OK. Then run your project, then python.py then run saver. Okay, after then click enter, our saver it run. Good. So now come to our project. This is our project. Now refresh. Now good. So come to click admin. Now good. This is our Django administration. So username is Samir. You can write your username and a password, then you click login. Now you can see this is a skip. Okay, authentication and authorization, we hakuna model yoyote because no model imekuwa created na okay. I think there is a problem kwa sababu hakuna CSS ilikuwa applied hapa. Okay, hii problem tutaja kui troubleshoot soon. Django authentication. I think everything is good. Okay, so view site. This is our site. Home. This is home. Analytics. Admin. Okay, this is admin. Okay. On other pages, business trend. This is trend. Loan. This is loan. Customers, and so on. So now let's apply Google Fonts. Apply Google Fonts. Let's come to check the source code. Go to static. And then Google Fonts. Okay, now copy this code and come to our project as project. Okay, come to our project, then access our Google Fonts and kwenye static. Okay, kwenye static access Google Fonts. This is the Google Fonts, then fonts will CSS hizi hapa. Okay, so on top weka default fonts kipindi page ina run. Default fonts kipindi page ina run. So default fonts is, let's kuandika hiyo, unaweka star, unafungua hizi brackets, then font family is roboto condensed, unachagua sans save changes, then come to refresh and output. Okay, you can see and yeah, apply. Okay, so now come to base.py and access Google Fonts. And Google Fonts, of course, in here, Google Fonts, right? Okay, Google Fonts. On Google Fonts, we have fonts.css, font.css. I think we run our project. There's a save changes. Okay, so now run again and save. Okay, now come to refresh. Into 5